we're going to see how we can increase the size of a command or a menu bar using just our mouse. Now, please note, as I move across my screen here, it's just a set of tabs and nothing special about it. The same thing with the menu bar. You might not have the same things, but we're just pointing and moving our mouse. No big deal. You're used to that. But here's what we're going to do next. When we go to Apple System Settings, we're going to go down to Accessibility. Over here, we have an option for the word vision, the category, hover text, excuse me. When we tap on it, we have a little button that slides over, and it says in very small print, press the Command key to display a large text view of the item under the pointer. So right now, nothing's happening. But as soon as I turn this on, nothing happened yet. I have to press the Command key, which I'm doing now on my keyboard. And over here, I have it showing you that it's been pressed. And as I point, it's showing me in an enlarged font what I'm pointing at. And if I click, it then turns it off. So you'd have to do it again, because right now I'm pointing and nothing special happens. So if I tap once, it's enabled, and I point, and I hover, and I click, and it turns it off. Whoops, wrong button. No problem. But here's a better way to do it. Double tap it twice, the Command key, and it's a little bolder. So now if I go to Accessibility, under Hover Text, it's turned on. That's all you got to do. If I turn it off, nothing special happens. This shows it's still double tapped. I tap once, it's turned off. I tap once, nothing happens. I point to something and I tap once, nothing happens. But if I turn this on, hold down the Command key or just tap it, I now get hover text, and I made the colors what I wanted. The way you change that is over here. You can change your colors here. Maybe I'll make it black with a nice yellow background. I'm not sure it'll be great. I can change the font. I like being humorous, so I'm using the Comic Sans font. I'll make it something more boring. I have no idea what this means. Let's keep it simple. Let's just go up to Arial. And there it is. Now if I click Done, it's engaged. I'm tapping the Command key, and I'm pointing. If I let go of the Command key, it's still engaged. But once I tap, it's no longer enabled. That's it. It's called hover text. It's found under System Settings, under Accessibility, and that's why I made this video for you, John. Hope this helps.